Welcome to Albemarle by Ryan Homes, a stunning waterfront community located on the tranquil shores of the Albemarle Sound in Hertford, North Carolina. Here you'll experience the perfect blend of coastal beauty, small town charm, and resort-style living. Within minutes from Edenton, Elizabeth City, and Highway 17, and 75 minutes to the Norfolk International Airport, you'll find yourself at the heart of Hampton Road's 7 cities, where there's something for everyone. I'm Perry, and I can't wait to show you around and tell you about everything this exclusive Ryan Homes community has to offer. Your dream home is calling, and it's closer than you think. First, immerse yourself in the waterfront lifestyle. Start your day with a sunrise over the Albemarle Sound, then head out for a boating adventure on the calm waters of the Perquimans River. Whether you're casting a line, kayaking through scenic creeks, or enjoying a sunset cruise on the Albemarle Queen, every day feels like a vacation here. Enjoy 166 boat slips available at your fingertips, right in your backyard. Manio Outer Banks is just a rock's throw over the Sound. Golf enthusiasts will love teeing off at the Sound Golf Links at Albemarle Plantation, a championship course with breathtaking water views and lush fairways. And for those who prefer a slower pace, explore miles of walking trails or relax by the waterfront clubhouse and watch the boats glide by. Dive into relaxation at the sparkling Olympic-sized community pool, perfect for cooling off on warm summer days. Enjoy tennis, bocce, and pickleball courts, a fitness center, and a full-service marina for your boating adventures. There's even a dog park for your four-legged friends. You thought that was all? Not even close. Here we have community gardens, social clubs, and activity classes, a weekly farmers market with local vendors, and 2 restaurants on site, all within the gates of this amazing community. Not only will you love the location, you'll love our homes too. At Albemarle, you'll start by choosing a floor plan that fits your lifestyle, with options ranging from single-story ranch homes to spacious 2-story designs, up to 4 bedrooms and over 2,700 square feet of modern living space. Many plans offer the convenience of a first-floor owner's suite for easy living. Next, you'll personalize your home with professionally curated design packages featuring the latest trends in cabinetry, countertops, and flooring, making it simple to create a space that's uniquely yours. Then, you get to find the home site that feels like home. Choose from serene wooded privacy, generous half-acre lots, picturesque golf course views, or a spot near the marina. Here, you can really start to imagine what life is like having morning coffee on the front porch or barbecuing with the family in the backyard. Next, discover the charm of Hertford and the surrounding Inner Banks. Hertford is one of North Carolina's oldest towns, rich in history and Southern hospitality. Stroll through the historic heart of Hertford and visit the Perquimans Art League Gallery, or tour the Newbold White House, the oldest brick home in the state. Nearby is Edenton, often called the South's prettiest town, where you can enjoy lunch at Downtown Roots, grab a pick-me-up at Kraken Coffee House, or take the family to dinner at the Herringbone and enjoy the waterfront views. Edenton offers quaint and historic conveniences that everyone will enjoy, from art, boutique shopping, dining, and bed and breakfasts. It's right in your backyard. Speaking of dining, you'll find plenty of local favorites. Enjoy fresh seafood and classic Carolina flavors at waterfront restaurants in Edenton and Elizabeth City. From casual bites to elegant dining, the region is full of culinary gems that make every meal an experience. Make sure to visit Planters Ridge Farmers Market for local deli, holiday shopping, and market favorites just down the road. Just minutes away, you'll find Hertford Bay Tap House, Brew to Rescue Coffee Shop, and so much more. Albemarle is more than just a place to live. It's a place to thrive. Here, you'll find a welcoming community, endless opportunities for recreation, and a lifestyle that feels like a permanent vacation. If you're ready to learn more about everything Albemarle has to offer, take the next step and sign up today. I can't wait to welcome you home.